buying a computer, but I was thinking of a Sony. What's this?
This one's an HP laptop with Windows Vista and the Microsoft Word. I like it because all the labs are always full, so I get to use my laptop wherever I want to.
You think it's better than Sony? Like, I don't know.
I like HP because it's crisp and clean and it has this nice design.
Yeah, I like it too.
But it has a lot of memory too.
Oh,
So
really?
I can use my Word documents and I can write all the papers that I want to.
Where'd you buy it?
I bought it at Best Buy. It was on sale for $600.
Wow. That's amazing. I guess I'll go to Best Buy and check the computers in there because I went to Walmart and some other places.
They're expensive.
Yeah, they're expensive.
The Best Buy guys walk you through all the process to get the computer and they give you all the information that you need.
Wow. Oh, well, let's go to class.
Okay. Hi, Anna.
Hey, what's up?
You bought the computer I told you about?
Oh yeah, yesterday I went to Best Buy and yeah, exactly as you said. They had everything and it was cheaper than any other place and the computer is great actually.
You can use your Word document too, right?
Yeah, everything.
The internet service? See,
Yeah.
it's real convenient.
I love it.
Okay, we'll see you later.
Oh, okay.
As you can see, all consumer buying decisions generally fall along a continuum of three broad categories: routine responsive behavior, limited decision making, and extensive decision making. In this video, we were able to see a limited decision making by Anna, who, through social influence given by Sonia, decided to buy an HP laptop as soon as possible because of the importance that Sonia gave it to her.